Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a super cute origami ghost. What makes this model so fun is that it's already holding a pumpkin, and if you'd like to add an extra detail, you can also make a witch hat using a smaller square of paper. The origami is actually pretty easy, and I'm sure you all like it. For the ghost, we'll need a square of paper measuring about 8 by 8 inches or 20 by 20 centimeters, and for the hat about 4 by 4 inches or 10 by 10 centimeters. Let's start with the ghost. First we need to fold the paper in half vertically and horizontally. So first let's fold the right side to the left, unfold, then fold the bottom side to the top, and unfold again. Now we need to fold the paper in half along both diagonals. So just bring one corner to the opposite corner, reinforce, unfold, then repeat with the opposite diagonal. With these lines ready, we need to fold all four corners to the center. We can start with the top right, and then fold the other three in the same way. Now let's rotate the paper to this position and unfold the bottom corner. Now fold this corner to the top, and then fold it down to this line here. Unfold, then fold just a little bit of the top corner, then fold it up again, leaving a small part folded, a small gap, and then bring it down again on the line we made before. Unfold the bottom side again, and now we are going to fold the bottom side to the middle. First bring the right half, like this, then the left half. Next, fold the bottom corner a little bit, and fold the bottom part up again. For the next step, flip the paper over, and fold both sides to the middle. First fold the right, and then the left. Now we need to fold the bottom side to this top crease here. Unfold. Now in the middle we have these two small squares. We need to open the middle part by folding these two squares in half diagonally. We can start on the left side by opening the paper to the left and aligning with the edge and the top line. Like this. Then we do the same on the right. And close the bottom part over it. Now, at the top, we need to fold the two corners. You can leave it like this if you want, but I'll show you a second version with an optional detail that makes it nicer. So, first we need to unfold these corners and then create a new crease on the first layer, connecting the corner with the diagonal we just made. Now, bring the paper down and that's it. Now let's repeat the same on the other side. Tuck these two corners inside the layer below. Now let's go to the other side. These side corners will be the arms. You can fold them at any angle you want, but I'll fold mine behind the pumpkin. Same thing on the other side. And with that we already have our little origami ghost. Since I used the two colored paper, we can see a bit more of the yellow side. If you use the white paper, now you just need to color the pumpkin. Now let's make the hat. First we need to fold the paper in half diagonally. Unfold and rotate to this position. Fold the two top sides to the middle. Then fold the bottom corner Unfold everything. Fold the corner up. And then fold the two sides over it. Flip the paper over. Fold the bottom side up. And then bring it back down. Let's go to the other side. And fold these two corners here. You can leave it like this if you want, but just like with the ghost, there is a second option that I think looks better. So first unfold the two corners, then bring this part of the paper to the side. Then just flatten the same corner using the crease we made earlier. And this is what we get. In my opinion, it looks much better. Repeat the same on the other side. And that's the origami hat. We just need to open it in the middle, in the space where the paper is white. And then just put in the ghost's head. And that's it. If you want, you can draw a little face in the pumpkin, also in the ghost. That's up to you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.